without it. Oh, god damn. So many potholes. Alright. Wow, that's the first red light. I'm surprised. There you go. Look at that, wow! Poland, my dear friend. This is how the Polands look like. Quite grim. Not too many colors. Another red light. How many minutes are we going? 15 minutes. That's oh wow. Is that all? 15 minutes? That was quick. Alrighty then. Alright, we have to press the button. It's not automatic, it's all manual, different. It's just really strange because the button is so dirty, and when everybody's pressing it, it's disgusting. Look how dirty it is. Whew. And I did press it anyway. Nasty. I have to clean my hands. Should be like, it should be all automatic. There should be a moving sensors and just detecting the pedestrian and yeah. Alrighty then, and the ride continue. Break him. Oh shit. Oh, check this one. Check this out. That's nice. And we have a green light. But we cannot ride through it. We have to walk through it. It's illegal to ride on them. At least in this country. And let's continue. Shit, he scared me. The shadow scared me. See, people just don't care about the electric scooters, and they just, yeah. They just go with their cars. so I have to keep on the left side. Okay, Lamborghini Aventador coming on the left side. Check it out, yellow one, very nice. Let's continue. Woo. Damn. Alright, that should be a... There it is, there it is. Or maybe we won't use it. No, we won't use it. Let's go straight. God damn, it was scary. I'm jumpy. Yeah. I have a lot to lose, my dear friend. A lot. I have all my bitcoins, ethereums, BNBs, Litecoins, Shiba Inus. Oh! Alright, we're almost there. And where are we going? Look on the right! A shopping mall! That's where we're going. Oh my god, it's so cold. Why didn't I bring my gloves? See, he didn't care. And by law, you have to stop. I mean, not me, the car has to stop to pass me through. But some people, some old drivers just don't care. So you have to be very, very aware of your environment, my dear friend. Is the sign that will continue? No, it's not. It's just, yeah. It's going to end here. How big is the curve? Yeah, it's okay. Woo! Nice. Nice! Oh, look at that straight. Ooh, I'll have to visit that place when it's empty on Sunday. Wow, that straight up there was pretty cool. Okay, we're not going through those. We are going to the very end. Ah, it is a little bit bumpy here. Okay, this way, and this way, and okay, to the left, and there are parking spots. And there you go. That's the end of the journey, at least for now. Okay, let's turn it off. Is it still on? No, the scooter is off. How much battery do I have? Oh, only 2 bars left. Oh, 20 minutes recording, and GoPro Mini has no juice. Well, 2 bars is still a bit of juice. So I think it's like 40 or 50 minutes will be maximum settings. Okay. So there you go. That's the experience with the Nami Viper. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.